that directive is in line with our constitutional mandate. And we want to assure you that we are going to hit the ground to place proactive security measures and make a stop to all these incessant attacks and secure not only secretariats, but secure the state generally. We want to assure the public that they can go home and sleep with their 2 eyes closed. We are going to hit the ground. We are already on ground. We are going to do the needful, secure all those violent areas, in place security, proactive security measures, through what? Through aggressive patrol and confident building patrol. By doing that, we are assuring the public of their safety, and we are at the same time securing those places. So we are not taking any chances, or we are not taking any political decision. We are taking a constitutional decision, policing decision to ensure safety of lives and properties.
All right, just a question for me. My name is
China, are you done? Thank you very much.
All right, my name is Lucia Koro from TVC News. All right, sir. I know that, yes, like my colleague has said, you're just writing the states. So, but I believe that you've been briefed, and you've also been getting feed at the far right. So yesterday a lot happened, and even before yesterday a lot has also happened. So I want to know if the command has made any arrests, because a lot happened yesterday. So a lot of people are curious that with all that would have happened yesterday, it will be surprising to hear if maybe no arrest at all has been made. That's one. Then two, there are reports about casualties. We saw, at least I know I've seen graphic images of about 4 corpses lying on the floor. So what I want to hear from the police command this morning, and what the people want to hear from the police command today is what has been the response to yesterday's violence that trailed the resumption of this council chairman? Any arrest made, and can the police confirm if any persons died yesterday and the number of persons that died? Thank you.
As I told you, I'm taking over this morning, and I've told you that hit the ground. There's no time to waste. And if there's any update from the brief I received, or I'm going to receive from my predecessor, subsequently I will invite you for another press briefing to give you update on the incidences. For now, I will collect the necessary intelligence and information from my predecessors and get back to you very, very soon. But what I know that we are proactively taking action, secure those places, and in place security measures to safeguard life and property of Rivers State, as well as those councils. So further details, because we have proactive and we have reactive. Arrest is an active method of policy. You are reacting to the crime. But proactive is to nab any plan in the bush. If they have plan to escalate the violence, we have now already in place measures to stop that. But for the active method, we don't want even the crime to continue to happen. We want to make sure that the crime is reduced to the barest minimum and these incidences are stopped. So if there's any further details, after getting the feedback from my predecessor of how the incident happened and all the necessary data we have, we'll communicate with you very soon when I will have him conference with all the DPI and other officers. Thank you.